Hello and welcome to a special video on how to schedule an email using an autoresponder. As you can see, I'm on aweber.com and this is an autoresponder service that I personally use. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to schedule an email. Okay, so you can schedule when a certain email when you want it to be sent. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to log on, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to messages and click broadcast. Once I've done that, I click create broadcast message. Okay, so once you enter your broadcast message, so I'm just going to put news. There's an option which says schedule, so you can either send the message immediately or you can send it later. So I'm just going to click on send later, and then you can select the time, AM or PM. Okay, so let's just do 9 AM on September the 14th. Okay, then click save broadcast message. Once you've done that, you just click queue and it will give you a message saying broadcast will be sent on the 14th of September 2009, and then you just click OK. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hello and welcome to a special video on how to cloak your affiliate link. Now sometimes you have those long horrible affiliate links, and what you actually can do, instead of referring to people to the long affiliate link, you can actually cloak them using an online service. Okay, now this online service is called move2.ws, or also known as cloakreferrer.com. Okay, cloakreferrer.com. Now what you see on Cloakreferrer is you have an option which is enter long URL to make it shorter. So what you need to do is, where it says enter long URL to make it shorter, so for example I'm just going to type in, I'm just going to type in a URL, for example, let's just type in warriorforum.com, and then what you can do also, you can also cloak the referrer. Okay, so it actually hides the referrer, so you can just click on that and generate link, and there we've got our new URL cloaked, fully ready to use. So let's click on that just to check if it works. Yep, and it works. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Welcome to a special video on how to create a free Blogger account. Now this is pretty easy. As you can see, I'm on blogger.com, and basically what you need to do is click on the link that says create a blog. So I'm just going to click on this, and first of all what you need to do, you need to enter your email address. Okay, so if you already got an email address, it asks you to create a Google account. Okay, so if you've got a Google account, then you can log in. So what you need to do is enter your email address, enter your password, and word verification. Once you've done that, you just simply need to log in. So I'm going to log into my account. Okay, and in order to create a blog, it's pretty straightforward. You click the create blog button, type in the blog title, so let's just type in CPA affiliate marketing. Okay, type in CPA affiliate marketing, check to see if it's available. If it's not available, then just type in some numbers at the bottom. Okay, that's available. Next is just type in this captcha code. Sometimes it's going to be tricky. Okay, and then just press continue. Okay, once you've done that, you simply select the template that you want. So I'm just going to go for this black template here, and I'm just going to click continue, and it says your blog has been created and you can start blogging. And then this is the place to add your content, so CPA affiliate, and I'm going to enter some content here, click publish post, and then you can just view your blog in a new window, and there is our brand new blog ready to have content. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Hello and welcome to a special video on how to add a domain name to your host. Now, as you can see, I'm logged on to my host, which is HostGator, and I've actually purchased a domain from Namecheap.com and updated the name servers. And what I'm going to do is head over to Web Host Manager at the bottom, and I'm simply going to go on the side here on this section. I'm going to click Create a New Account. Okay, I'm going to type in my domain name, which is flippingcode.com. Okay, that's my username. I'm going to select a password for my domain. Let's just put something like okay, just for testing purposes. And just enter my email address. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to click create, and what the host automatically does, it creates all the configuration settings for you, and basically your domain is set up and running. So I'm just going to test this domain name now. Okay, it's up and running and it works. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Hello and welcome to a special video on how to join a Facebook group. Okay, now as you can see, I'm logged onto my Facebook account, and let's say you want to join a specific group. Okay, let's just for example type in joint ventures. Okay, as you can see, there's lots and lots of different groups in regards to joint ventures. Okay, let's focus on this one here, Internet Joint Ventures. As you can see, let's just look at the group first of all. It's got over 288 members, and in order to join this, you simply click this link that says join the group. Once you select that, click join. Okay, and you will automatically be able to comment on the group post on the wall, take part in discussions, interact with members, and you can also invite people to join to this group by clicking on the invite link and inviting all of your friends. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward to join a group. Thank you for watching this short video. Hello, welcome to this special video. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to your Camtasia video at the beginning. Okay, now what I'm going to do first of all, I'm going to load a video. Hello and welcome. Okay, this is a video, and what you can do is add text to this video, and the way to do this is pretty simple. Okay, what you need to do is drag your video to the timeline first of all. Okay, once it is in the timeline, you simply head over to the option that says title clips. Click on title clips, and then you can add text to the video. This is a special video. Now you can also change the color of the fonts, and you can change the background color of the video. Okay, and and that's how easy it is to add text to your Camtasia video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hello and welcome to a special video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to add transitions to your video. These transitions appear at the beginning or the end of the video. Now, as you can see, one of my videos is in the timeline, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply head over to transitions. Okay, as you can see, I'm presented with several options here which what I can do to my video. I can either add glow effect, gradient wipe, fade, page turn, pixelate. So let's just use one of these effects onto a video. What you need to do is left click on the effect and simply drag it to your storyboard timeline. So in this case I'm going to drag this at the beginning and let go, click finish, and I'm just going to drag this icon and preview my video. And as you can see, the video should pixelate. Okay. Hello. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you've actually learned something new.